Tired of paying crazy gas fees on NFT marketplaces? What if I told you there's a platform that's been in the game for a while, just came out of beta, and promises to eliminate one of the biggest headaches in the NFT world? Kraken, the well-known crypto exchange, has officially launched its NFT marketplace to the public after a successful beta phase. This isn't just another place to buy and sell JPEGs, it's a platform built with some unique features that could make a huge difference, especially for new collectors. One of the biggest selling points, and a massive relief for anyone who's ever tried to buy an NFT on Ethereum, is that Kraken has eliminated gas fees for buying and selling on their platform. That's right, no more watching your transaction cost more than the art itself. This feature alone is a game changer, especially for people looking to get into more affordable collections without getting hit with a huge fee. But the benefits don't stop there. Kraken is a crypto exchange first, and they've leveraged that to create a seamless experience. Unlike other marketplaces that often require you to bridge assets and connect a separate wallet, Kraken lets you buy NFTs directly using your existing crypto or even fiat currency in your Kraken account. They even show you the prices in both crypto and your local fiat, which is super helpful for beginners. The marketplace also comes with built-in rarity rankings, providing instant insights for collectors. Instead of hunting for this information on external sites, you can see how rare an NFT is right on the listing page. This simplifies the due diligence process and helps you make more informed decisions. Of course, no platform is perfect. While Kraken has zero gas fees for transactions within the marketplace, you still have to pay standard network fees when you transfer NFTs to or from your Kraken account. This is an important distinction to remember. Also, with a new marketplace, it might take some time for them to build the same level of liquidity and diverse collection of NFTs as some of the more established players like OpenSea. However, they've already launched with over 250 curated collections across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, so they're off to a strong start. The launch of Kraken's NFT marketplace signifies a major move by a mainstream crypto exchange to bring NFTs to a broader audience. By making the process more intuitive, more affordable, and more secure, they're lowering the barrier to entry for millions of potential new collectors. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.